Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by rinsing your dried sea moss under cold running water. Use a large bowl and move pieces by hand to dislodge sand and grit. Remove any shells, rock bits, dark discolored patches, or slimy pieces and discard them immediately. Handle about 1 cup dried sea moss to expect roughly 2 to 3 cups after soaking. This ratio keeps prep consistent. Rinsing thoroughly reduces grit and improves flavor, so do not rush this step and inspect each strand carefully for foreign matter. Place the clean sea moss in a bowl and cover with fresh, cool water. Soak it for 12 to 24 hours so the strands rehydrate and expand. If you prefer milder scent, add 1 tablespoon fresh lime or lemon per 2 cups of water. The acid helps neutralize ocean odor without cooking. Keep the moss fully submerged using a plate if necessary, and change the water once if it becomes cloudy. Properly soaked moss should feel soft, slightly slippery, and plump to the touch. Drain the soaked sea moss and reserve clean water. Transfer moss to a blender and add 1 to 2 cups fresh water per cup of soaked sea moss for desired gel thickness. Blend on high until completely smooth and silky. Strain only if you want an extra smooth texture. Pour the gel into airtight jars and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks or freeze portions for up to 6 months. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel per serving in smoothies, soups, or sauces for easy nutrition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.